360 degrees two-way panhead with quick release plate, backup safety lock, and bubble level. Simply twist the handle to release, lock the smooth two-way movement. Lightweight carbon fiber legs adjust to 20 degrees, 45 degrees and 80 degrees degree angles. Twist leg locks. Advanced camera vibration and shock control. QS61P quick release plate. Ideal for use with spotting scope and camera. Kit includes low-angle adapter, 2 Allen wrenches, 3/8 screw adapter, spiked feet and carrying bag. Tripod specifications: 23 mm, 3-section carbon fiber legs. Folded height: 22. Extended height: 57.5. Weight: 3.2 pounds. Max load capacity: 8.8 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. The tripod is great and lighter than my Pro GT, but the quick change head plates are not interchangeable. You will need to order separate quick change plates.